Hi my dear loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be unboxing a fake or a clone of the Apple Airpod Max. So here is the box that I have received. The box came very beat up, as you guys can see. I just hope the product is okay. There is another variant of the P9 headphones, but I got this one because it's the closest replica that I could find of the Airpod Max. And it does have the same color variant that Apple Airpod Max has. And I choose the white one for obvious reasons. So let's just open it up. And here is our device. Straight out of the box, it's really lightweight and I can feel the plastic build quality of it. But it looks just like the Airpod Max. The only thing that's making it look kinda cheap is the buttons. But you can easily get away with it by just customizing it, which we'll be doing. So stay tuned for that. Back to the box content, we also get a USB charging cable and a instruction manual. The instruction manual is in English and Chinese, I guess, but if you want to read it up, you can just pause the video. So if we take a closer look into the device, you would see that the ear cups are really soft and squishy and it doesn't feel uncomfortable while wearing it. But I have to add that I have an average size head, so the headphone is okay for me. But if you have a larger size head, it can cause some pain after a while. I must say the colored part exactly look like the Airpod Max, but it can easily get some scratches. Next, the hinge is also made out of plastic, but it has a metal color into it. But if you move it quite often, the color can strip out quite easily. So I will suggest not to move it after you find a comfortable position for it. Next are the buttons, and it has 4 buttons. The first one is the power or mode button. Next we have the pause and play button. Next is the skip to next and volume up button. Lastly we have the skip to previous and the volume down button. So if you click once, it will skip the track, but if you long press it, it will change the volume for these 2 buttons. So let's just turn it on. Yeah, that happened. So there is a blue and a red light when it's on, which can be a little bit distracting, but I have a solution for that, which I'll be showing you guys later. So let's just pair it with a phone. So you just have to open the Bluetooth app and it will just show up as P9. Here it is, and you just have to click it to pair it. And yep, it just paired. So it came like with 80% of battery in it. You just have to connect with it only once, and after that it will just connect itself to your phone quite easily. So let's just listen to some songs. Can you guys hear it? So after listening to it, I really liked it. The sound quality is not bad at all. I mean, it's a $10 headphone. Of course, it's not gonna be as good as the real one, but in this price point, you are getting a good device. Obviously, it doesn't have any noise cancellation, but because of these cushion cups, you don't hear much outside noise, and also the sound doesn't bleed. But I would not suggest you guys to go to a quiet public place and play loud music in your P9 headphones, but you can play it at the medium volume. Next is the battery of it. I've heard the battery of it is really good, like it will give you guys 10-hour plus battery backup. I will let you guys know how much battery backup did I get, but if you guys run out of battery in it, you can use the aux cable to make it into a wired headphone. There is one more thing, you can use a memory card in it, like over here, and you can put some songs in that memory card. I don't think I'm going to use it like that, but it's good to have extra features. I've also heard there is a built-in microphone which is unusable. I would not suggest you guys to use the microphone for talking. It's just a headphone for listening music, not for talking. So that's it. All in all, I would say that this headphone is not for everybody. I really liked it, but that doesn't mean that you'd like it too. But I would say if you are looking for a cheap alternative of the Airpod Max, or you don't want to take your Airpod Max outside, like for the gym or grocery shopping, I mean anywhere, you can buy it. So I've bought some stuff for my P9 headphone to, make it a bit cute. So the first thing that I got is these pink covers. These are actually for the real Airpod Max, but I guess it will fit. So I bought it because it will hide the chip buttons and the blue light that you saw earlier. The next item is the magnetic covers that the Airpod Max have, and I've bought it for my P9 also, being a little bit extra, which is this one. It looks just like the magnetic one, but don't get fooled guys, it's not magnetic, it's really cheap. It's like button styled. And lastly, we have a cover for it. I guess it will fit my device because it's the real Airpod Max cover. So now I'm gonna be decorating my device and I won't be talking, so enjoy. So yeah, that's it all for this video. If you guys liked my video, please do give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below sharing your thoughts about this headphone, if you would buy it or not. If you guys like my content, please do subscribe to my channel and be a part of this wonderful community. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.